Hey guys, welcome back. Last video, we learned how to update a set. Now there is a different method which helps you to update only the difference between two sets. Yeah. So that method is difference update method. Now this method is used to remove elements from a set that are also present in one or more specified sets by altering the original set. Yeah. Now it modifies the set in place effectively by updating it with the difference between itself and one or more other set. So what it does is it checks for its own set. It checks for the iterable which has been pushed or various sets which has been pushed to update. It finds out the matching elements and it removes those matching elements and it gives you the difference which are not available in any of the sets. Yeah. So understand. Let's understand. So this method you need to remember is a new set is created, whereas difference update will update the original set. After this, we'll check on another method, which is difference, which will update or you will create a new set altogether. Okay. So there are two methods. First is difference update, where the original set will be updated. Whereas in the next video, we'll see another method, which is just difference, which will create a new set altogether. So you need to remember this difference. So I'll just put it this as a note. So the difference method, which we'll see in the next video, will return a new set. Whereas the difference update, which the method that we are seeing right now, will directly modify the original set. Okay, let's see the syntax. Do not get confused because that's why I'm taking them in a simultaneous manner so that you can understand the difference between all these methods. So I'll have the set name and then I will give the method that is difference update. And then I will have the other sets. Yeah, other sets or iterable. Now, what is other sets or iterable? This is one or more sets or iterable whose elements will be removed from the original set. Yes. So any other set which is being added here or any other iterable which is added within the parameter will be removed from the original set. Yeah, you need to remember that. Okay, let's understand an example, basic example on difference update in set. Yes, let's understand this example. So I have this element 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or the set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which has these elements. And I'm passing another set with the value as 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. So the common elements between these two set is 3, 4, and 5. So it will remove 3, 4, 5, and it will give you only these two numbers. Yeah. So difference update, as we have originally said, it will give you the original set with the matching elements removed from the original set. Yeah. So let's see what is the output. Here we can see So from this original set, whatever matching elements are available in the next set, 6 is not available here, so it doesn't make any difference. But 3, 4, 5 are available, so it will remove all these 3 elements and it will give you the remaining elements. So that's why it is called as difference update. Yeah. So let's see how it works if I have multiple set. Difference update method using multiple sets. Yeah. Suppose I have multiple sets. Uh, Let me mark it as set 2 and set 3. Yeah. And I'll just for your understanding purpose so that you understand what I'm trying to do. Yeah. So what I'm trying to do here is, this is my original set, that is my set. I have two other set which has the value as 3, 4, 5, 6 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. Suppose I have the value here as 8. Yeah. So my original value has the value 8. So what we'll do is, from my original set, it will match both these sets. So 3, 4, 5 from my set 2, which is already available here. Yeah, 5 is also available in this set and 8 is also available. So it will give me the output as 1 and 2 because all these 4 numbers or 4 elements are available in set 2 and set 3, which will be using to find the difference update. So I can have multiple elements or multiple iterables being added here. So let's see what is the output if I run this. Yeah, as expected. So what it has done is, from my original set, it has removed all the elements which were available in both these sets. Yeah, and it has given me the difference after eliminating those matching values. Okay. Now, what can happen if you try to update a set by removing elements present in the iterable such as list or tuple? Yeah, let's try to find out whether it can update values by taking values from list or tuple. So suppose I have this set and I have this my list. Yes, and I am updating my set with my list. Yes. Let's see whether it is able to update my list and check. Yeah. So it is checking all the elements within the list, whether it is available in this original set, and it is removing those values and giving me the final output after removing the duplicates. Yes. So it is working on tuples or list on any other iterable that I put in. Now, when we apply the difference update method on a set with elements and an empty set, then the result will be the set with the original element. Yeah, understood? So if I try to create a set and pass on an empty set, if you remember, empty set could be passed on like this, or I can pass on set like this. Yeah, so if I try to pass on an empty set, it will provide me the original set. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 was my original set. Since I have an empty set, there is nothing to be matched and hence there is no difference. So the original set would be provided. Understood? So this is how you can use set difference update method to eradicate duplicate values from your set in order to manipulate your data at any point of time. Yeah. Hope you like this video. Do like, share this video with your colleagues who want to learn Python. Uh, do comment if you have more views or examples which could add on to the knowledge of the viewers who are seeing this video or viewing this video. Do subscribe to my channel if you like to get such informative video directly to your inbox. Thank you so much.